Hiya, welcome back to my channel. It's Happy Me on a Budget here. Many thanks for stopping by. And this is an update of my craft room move number 3. I've moved from the big room next door and downsized to here. And I'm trying to condense everything because the room was bigger, so obviously I had more things. So I've given a lot of things to charity as well. I've had the bags packed and I'm trying to just get in here really organized. Now, I've done this shelf already. So I think, yeah, that's my jar shelf. And these bits and bobs on this shelf here, I'm not quite sure about what I'm putting here. It's just try and error at the moment. As I said, I'm trying to condense everything right now. It's not everything I can give away or get rid of because obviously I need a lot of my craft stuff. So that's basically it here with the shelves. But I definitely think that I will be putting more of my craft items rather than ornaments and stuff on this. I'm going to find somewhere else to put the ornaments. These are all my notepads and I've got to sort those out. I've got another box somewhere, so I think I want them all along this shelf here. For now, I've put some of the folders up there. I'm still in deliberation what I'm going to finish off up the top of this shelf with. I've got so much things that I have to really improvise with everything. This table here, I haven't finished with it as yet, obviously. I'm just waiting for another console to go here, and I've ordered that from Argos, so I should get it today, later on today. And I have the new bits and pieces here, which is I got this from the range, and that fits nicely under there like that. This is another one from the range as well that I purchased. And I've got my paper pads in here, the 12 by 12s, but I think I'm going to put them in a drawer. I might put them in a drawer or leave them out. As I said previously, I like to see my things out. I don't like too much things hidden away. Hence why I got these drawers, because they're see-through and I can always see what I've got in there. So the slat wall is up, all the washies here, and I've got some of these containers. Where is it now? Oh, I don't know where it is now. I've got a plastic container that I'm gonna put most of these washies, and I've got more here. And I've got these ones here that came from Daiso in New Zealand. This is the rest of my slat wall. But everything's mishmash at the moment. I will organise everything. Yeah, it's got gift bags in there. Ah, there's the other container. This is the container that I've had in my stash for a long while. I used to have jewellery findings in there. I washed it as best as I could, and that's going to hold a lot of the washi as well. And I ordered 5 more boxes from the range, so they came as well with the storage containers. So I'm really happy about that, so I can get all my washi sorted out and put away nicely. These boxes are empty at the moment. These, I've put my 6x6 paper pads in here. The other ones, I think it's 8x4. These ones are the 8x4. I haven't got very much paper pads. I tend to use a lot of my paper pads. I don't have them hanging around. And what I am going to do now is not buy anything, not one single thing, unless I really, really need it for a project. I'm going to just concentrate on using what I have. This was a typewriter from my older sister. She was secretary, and this was one of her first typewriters. This is from Michael's in America, the Recollections. A friend of mine bought it back from America for me. It did fall through transit because she didn't realize how big the box was, and a couple of the panels came off. So when the weather gets a bit nicer, I'll take it out in the garden and take all the hardware off it and clean it up, fill it with the wood filler, make sure I straighten them all out, and maybe just give it a little paint over and get it back to its rightful state. These are these ink pads that I've got, and I'm not quite sure where I'm putting them at the moment, but again, I need to have them visible so I can see. This usually sits on my desk with my bits and pieces. I've got my hand lotion and my glues. And this is just a pen for the office. That's got to go back into the office. Where the desktop is next door, because it's not in here. I'm not bringing it in here. And this one I got from Home Scents quite a few years back now, and it's got my tiny attacher and my corner punch and my hole punchers and my scissors. And this is my little embossing and die cuts. I forgot what it's called. The diamond, what is it? Diamond something. Can't remember now. That's from Crafter's Companion. I've had that for quite a few years as well. Yeah, so yeah, just things need sorting out. That's my stale coffee from this morning. The boxes up here, I'm going to sort them out. These boxes are just carton boxes, and I covered them and put the lace on them, and they've really come in handy. And as you can see, these hot pink ones, the white ones, they've come from IKEA. So I've still got all that to sort out. I do have this shelf above my door, and that's got to be sorted out. That's in a complete mess, so I've got that to sort out. And behind the door I have my, let's move the chair out the way, I have my station with all my glues, my Mod Podge, and I normally put this on the door, outside the door when I'm recording. I normally put it on where closed when I'm recording, so if any members of the family or anything sees that, they know that I'm recording, so do not disturb. I've got my spray paints and some empty jars and stuff. So this is really where I keep all my paints and glues and all the brand new glues and stuff like that that's not opened as yet. So yes, so I've got to get everything organized, but I'm really happy with the outcome so far. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep this storage here or put it under. See, these boxes needs emptying, so they won't be there. That's an update of my craft room move number 3, and I will definitely keep you posted. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications when I upload my new videos. Take care now. Bye bye.